In this video, I want to show you how to import GIS Shapefile into Google Earth Engine. If you want to add Shapefile to Google Earth Engine, just come to Platform and click on Code Editor. When it opens your code editor, to add Shapefile to the code editor is quite simple and straightforward. So for example, if I go to ArcGIS, this is Shapefile of my study area. In order to make it easier, let me export this to a particular folder. Just come to the layer, right click and come to data, come to export data. Navigate to the folder where you want to save it. I want to save it in this Upper Benue Basin folder. So let me name it Basin for example. Then I will click on save and click on OK. Click no. Now if I check that folder, here is it. You can see my shapefile has been created in this folder. So let's now go to Google Earth Engine. To import that shapefile to Google Earth Engine, come here to Assets. Click on Assets and click on New. Click on the drop down, and here you can see you have option to upload shapefile, and even you have option up here to import GeoTIFF. But our concern today in this video is shapefile. So I'll click on shapefile. It will open upload a new shapefile asset page. So here, please drag and drop or select file for this asset, and it supports shapefile, zip, dbf, prj, shx, cpg, fix, qis, sbn, and even shapefile.xml. So to import shapefile, click on select. It will open your folder. So I'm in my folder already. Then let's look at it one by one. The first one is shapefile. Here is it, is shapefile. I'll look for shapefile here and select it. Then the second one is zip. I don't have zip here. And the third one is dbf. Here is dbf. I'll select it. The next one is prj, and here is prj. And the next one is shx. Here is xah down here. I'll select it. And the next one is cpg. Here is cpg. I'll select it. And the next one, fix and queues. I don't have it. Then I have sbn. Here is sbn. I have xbx here, but I don't have it here. So I've selected all the available ones here, and I'll click here. Then you can see the preview here. So you can go down. You can even decide to add the starting time and end time if you choose to. So once you have uploaded all the file or selected all the file, click on upload. When you click on upload, you can come to task here. Click on task. You can see it's uploading. It's uploading. So just in few seconds to a minute, it will be uploaded. Yes, it is uploaded within a minute. Now, to add it to the interface of Google Earth Engine, come back here and you can see it here. So just click on it. When you click on the basin or the asset, it will open the asset detail, and here you can see the preview. Here is the preview of the shapefile. And to add it to the Google Earth Engine, click on import. When you click on import, it will be added as variable and is given a name called table. So you can choose to change the name. Let me change the name to basin. So I've changed the name to basin now. Now to display it on the interface, there's something you need to do here. So what you need to do is to type map.addLayer into bracket basin. That means you want to display this very layer on the interface of Google Earth Engine. So map.add layer into bracket basin and semicolon. Then after you have written this, click on this option called run. When you click on run, you can see it's running, and yes, it has been added to the interface of my map. So I can zoom in. Here is my shapefile. You can see it. So in essence, this is how to add a GIS shapefile to Google Earth Engine and visualize it. Thank you for watching.